The chairman of the Delta State Trust Mortgage Bank Limited, Honorable Jude Ogbimi, has promised to embark on reforms that will reposition the bank to enable Deltans, especially civil servants, access loan facilities with low interest rates. Honorable Ogbimi, who stated this during the 6th inaugural board meeting of the bank at Ogbimi, said such loan facilities would enable civil servants to own houses of their choice in the state. He said he was impressed with the outcome of the meeting and solicited the cooperation and unity of purpose of the board to move the bank forward for the benefits of all Deltans. Honorable Ogbimi, who pointed out that for any meaningful development to take place, reforms were necessary to drive increased revenue base of the bank. The former lawmaker called for innovations, critical thinking and commitment from members of the board in order to change the narratives by turning around the fortune of the financial institution for positive growth and development. He promised to tap into opportunities from the civil servants and other stakeholders, as well as wooing them to invest more deposits into the bank for liquidity to satisfy our teeming customers. Honorable Ogbimi assured Deltans that the Oborevwori administration was determined that the Delta State Mortgage Bank Limited becomes one of the best state-owned mortgage banks in the country by providing loan facilities for businesses, adding that with the implementation of the more agenda through meaningful reforms, more investors would come to the state to invest. He assured that the Delta State Mortgage Trust Bank would study why the low-cost housing units for civil servants at Iguzo in Oshimile North local government area was abandoned in order to ensure its timely completion. Honorable Ogbimi earlier considered the various departmental heads and its members for effective takeoff of the Delta Trust Mortgage Bank Limited.
Well, the most important thing today, I'm glad that it was a very impressive inaugural meeting. It's time to act the talk. So that's why we converge here today to actually deliberate on stuff in order to for us as a new members to move the board forward. We all know that the key thing is that the tone and the talk, it takes the pace. So today I've taken the mantle of leadership alongside with other board members, and we've resolved to work together in unity to ensure that the mandate of the governor is actually achieved. The more agenda is achieved, the vision of the bank, like I stated today, is MR, meaningful development and realistic reforms. That's the only way we will be able to achieve and align with the more agenda. So that at the end of the day, Deltans within and across the borders will be proud of the decisions we're taking right now.
The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Delta Trust Mortgage Bank Limited, Mrs. Ruby Okoro, welcomed the chairman, Honorable Ogbimi, for the inaugural meeting while assuring him of all cooperation from the board members. She noted that Honorable Ogbimi's wealth of experience would guide the board towards achieving new heights while also enhancing its commitment to their valued customers and stakeholders.